Hello, in this video I am going to demonstrate you how to install SAPGUI for Mac operating system. So for that, first of all, you will require a SAPGUI download link that has been either provided to you by SAP server access provider, your company or your training institute. So we have to go to the Google Chrome and we have to paste the download link whichever has been provided to you. In my case, that has been provided to me is sapgui.weebly.com. So I'm going to the link. You will see that it has two types of SAP GUI, for one for the Mac GUI and another for the Windows GUI. So as I have been required to install in Mac operating system, I have to download Mac GUI. So click on it, go to the download and download anyway. It's a 156 MB of file which will take time according to your internet speed. So I'm going to pause it and continue when my download has been completed. So now you have been seeing that my download has almost been completed. So after download, we go to the next step, that is the download of Java for the Mac operating system. So we have to go to the Google and write download Java SE for Mac. Now go to the very first link, that has been oracle.com. that is the official website to download the Java software. So you will see that is Java 19 and Java 17 available. So we download the latest one, that is the Java SE Development Kit 19.0.1, and I have to download it for the Mac operating system. So I click on Mac OS, and depending on your system processor, you can download either for ARM64 or x64. So I have into 64, so I have to download it for x64 TMG installation file. So click on it. It's a 176 MB of file and it take time depend on your internet speed. So I'm going to again skip it and continue when my download has been completed. So as my download has completed, now go to the scroll down, and now we have to download another Java version that is required, that is Java SE Development Kit 8U351. So I have to download it for the Mac operating system. So you have seen it has been Linux, Mac operating system, Solres or Windows. So I click on Mac operating system. It's a 203 MB of file and I have to click on it. You have seen a log button before it. I have to accept the license agreement and click on download. So my download has been started, but if you are going to this site at the first time, so it will ask you for the login for your Oracle account. So you have to going to register it with your Gmail ID and create your Oracle account, that is free of cost, and then verify it with your Gmail and again sign in, and you are able to download it. As I have already signed in, so I am able to download it. So I'm going to again skip it and continue on download. So you have been seeing my download has been completed. I have all three files. Now I have to minimize it, close it, minimize my Google Chrome window. And go to my download folder now. Open downloads. So my all three files are there. So first I have to install the JDK 19 Mac operating system into 64. Double click on it. Now double click again. Continue. Install. Enter your password, system password. install software, and your first step has been complete. You have installed the GDK 19.01 file. So next I have to install my GDK 8351 file. Double click on it, double click, continue, and install it. Again, enter my system password, install software. So my both Java file has been now installed. So now it's the time to install the SAPGUI. Without these files, you are not able to install the SAPGUI file. Close it. Now GIF file, I have to extract it with automatic AMAC extractor archive utility. So I have come with the folder. I have click it, double click it, go to the next, press to folder, GUI, Java. So I have seen that it has for 3-4 files. One is for Linux, other for Mac operating system, Windows, and one is manual. So I have been required for Mac operating system. I have double click it. So you will see it will give some error that it unidentified developer. So what is the trick? The trick is you have to rename it. So what renaming? I have to change the extension that is in capital JAR to the small JAR. Changing the extension. Enter. Now you see it will begin installing. So I have to enter my system password and OK. So I have to provide permission now as it's a third-party software. So I have go to the system preferences, go to security and privacy, then general tab, and you will see that it will say allow app download from the unidentified source. I have to say open anyway. So it starts open, and now you will see that your SAP frontend SAPGUI has been started. Installation has been started. So you have to go to the next, install, and you have successfully installed SAPGUI for the Mac operating system. Now I will tell you how to create the connections in your SAPGUI system. SAPGUI you have just been installed. Go to the launchpad. You will see SAP client folder there. So you have to single click on it, and you will go to SAPGUI, double click on it. So yeah, SAPGUI has been started. So I have already tested the environment. So one connection is there, so I'm going to delete it first. So you will see this screen on installation. This screen is available to you. Now you have to create a new connection. Create on new, write the description, whatever the connection description is, like ICO, MM, or whatever that has been provided to you by company or server provider or your education institute. It is just for your remembrance. I have write SAP access. Go to the advanced tab. Expert mode has been checked out, and write the connection details that has been provided to you. Capital H, then the application server ID that has been provided to you. For me, this is 46.166.167.232, then /3200. Only the changes is the application server IP that has been provided to you. So I am going to now save it. So you will see the connection has been created. So I'm going to double click it, it is connecting to my SAP software. So now I have been connecting to the SAP software. Okay, maximize it. Now you require the credential to enter into the SAP system. I use my credential provided to me. And you are able to access the SAP software. So that is all how you can access the SAPGUI on Mac, and you can do whatever the training you have to be done or whatever work you have to be do. So if you have any further queries, you can write it on the comment box, or you can contact me on the details provided at the description. Thank you.